The question is 4 bracket 2a minus b square minus 12b minus a. So here the two brackets are not same, but the numbers are same. This is 2a plus, this is 2a minus, this is b and this is b, but this is minus and this is plus. So first I am making this part having same sign. So what I will do, this part is I am doing change the sign. Now changing sign does not mean I have changed the question. I am changing the sign so that my question is not changed, but it matches with this. So I have just changed minus 12 into plus 12. This is plus b I have made minus, minus 2 I have made plus. So now what does the question become? The question becomes 4 2a minus b square plus 12, and this becomes plus 2a minus b. That is why I have done it. This is 2a plus, I have written it first, and this I have written second. So what has happened, now I have got both the numbers brackets same. This is slightly complicated, but it is not so much. What you have to do is you have to make the two brackets same. Therefore I have changed the sign. Change sign of this bracket. When I change the sign, the number becomes plus, becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and minus 12 becomes plus 12. After that plus 12 and this bracket I have arranged and written the number 2a minus b. Now when I change sign, the question did not change. Let's see how. It is plus 12 into plus 2. Plus 12 and plus 2 will become plus 24. The answer will be plus 24. And here the answer will be 12 into b minus 12. So plus 24 minus 12b. And here if I multiply, minus 12 into plus b will be minus 12b. And minus 12 into minus 2 will be plus 12. So this answer and this answer of bracket is same. Changing of sign has helped only in making the term match this. But the question has not changed. It is minus 12b. Here still it is minus 12b. See, 12 into b is minus 12. This was minus 12 into minus 2, plus 24. Here also it is plus 24. Now I have got the question according to my requirement. Now after this bracket and this bracket is same. So next step is important. Let 2a minus b equal to x. I will suppose, to simplify. So this question will now become 4. Instead of 2a minus b, I will write x, because I have written this bracket is x. So in place of this, if I write x, it will become 4x square and plus 12. This will be x. So in place of 2a minus b, I am writing x. So this is also 2a minus b. This is also 2a minus b. So they become x. Now the question becomes 4x square plus 12x. So what is common in this number? HCF. So what is HCF? 4 and x. 4x is common. So it will become x plus 3. This is just like the first method which I have explained. Watch the video of the explanation how to take common or HCF below this. I will put the link below this video. You can check that out. Now this is factorized. Now I will substituting the value back. Substituting the value back means put the value back now. So what I had supposed, I will put back. So it will become 4. 4x means 2a minus b and 2a minus b plus 3. So what has happened here? I took x as this to make my working easy. It became 4x square plus 12x and then 4x common and x plus 3. Now in place of x, I have taken this. Now substituting the value back. because the question did not have x. So now put the value back. In place of x, I will again write 2ab. So this is 4x. 4x means 4 into 2a minus b bracket, and in place of x, I will write 2a minus b plus 3. So now it becomes 4 into 2a minus b, and my answer is 2a minus b plus 3. This is the answer. So this is important question. Question number 1, D part. Watch this explanation again and you will understand how it was done. Now all the questions after this, they are different. Let's do, this was a lower question. This was question number 1, D part. The question E and F are common. E. Let's do question number E. In E, it is given x square plus xz. Here the terms are xy minus yz. Now see the question. In this, all terms are different. X, xz, xy, yz. Neither x is common. X should be common in all, and y also should be common in all, or z should be common. So nothing is common. So this is done by solving in groups. You will solve in group. So you will take the first group and the second group. In the first group, what is common? In the first group, x is common. So factorization will become x into x plus z. Now how is this x coming? How is this bracket coming? This is given in the video below. You check the link, you will understand how to take common. And then plus xy and yz. What is common in this? Y is common, so it will be y x minus z. So here x is common, so it is x into x plus z. And here y is common, so y is outside and it becomes x minus z. Now I want this bracket to be same as this, but my bracket is x minus z and this is x plus z. So I will change sign. This should have been plus, but it is minus. So therefore I have to make the number same. Okay, there is an error. There is minus here. So since there is minus, this will become minus. This was copied wrong. So minus xz, this will be minus here. Now this bracket and this bracket are same. So x minus z is common and x plus y is common. So x minus z are same. So you will write 1 and x plus y is your second factor. See one more number. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G part, E and G part. Now G is a number which has got many terms in it. It is 4m square minus 3mn. Minus 16m plus 12m. Now here again 4, 3, 16, 12. There is nothing common in 1, 2, 3, 4. No HCF is there. Therefore, you will solve by the second method of factorization, which is taking group. So if I take group, then I will take the first group and the second group. In both the group, when you factorize, one bracket should come same. So if I take common here, what is common? 4 and 3 HCF is not their number, so only m is common. common number between this and this is m. So, and how it is coming, it is explained in the video below. M, it will become 4m minus 3n. How it is coming, I will tell you again. So this is 4m minus 3n, 16m plus 12n. What is common? First write 16 and 12. HCF of 16 and 12 is 4. 4 bracket 4m, and there is a plus sign here, there is minus sign here. So we want plus 12, so I have to put minus here. Minus 16 and plus 12, HCF is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. So I need minus 16, so it is minus here and plus 4. Then I need plus 12 here, so I have to put minus here and minus here. 4 into 3n is plus 12n. Now you are seeing again this bracket and this bracket are same. So my answer becomes 4m minus 3n and m minus 4. One bracket which is common and the other is another bracket. So 4m minus 3n and m minus 4. Now quickly, in this number what is common? I am explaining how this bracket came. So first write this number 4m square and 3mn. What are the factors of this? 2 into 2 prime factors, m into m. Factors of 3 are 3 into m into n. What is common now in between? 2 is not common, 3 is also not common, only m is common. So this m I took here as the common. Got it? Like here it is 16. So if I write 16m, 16m will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 and into m. 16 means 2 multiplied 4 times multiplied by m, and 12 means 2 into 2, 4 into 3 into n. Now in both of them 2 is common, 2 is common, 3 is not common and 2 is not common, and m and n, this is m, this is n, no, not common. So only 2 and 2. So 2 into 2 means 4. So I took LCM, the HCF as 4 here. 4 common. Now 16m minus plus 12n. What do you do after finding HCF? Here the HCF came how much? Here the HCF came m. Got it? And here the HCF came 4. Both the numbers. What to do with this HCF? This HCF m will divide both the numbers. So 4m square upon m, this, and minus 3mn divided by m. So first you have to find HCF, which you have found. After finding HCF, this HCF will divide this and this. In this the HCF came 4. So now 4 will divide 16 also. 16m divided by 4 and 12n divided by 4. When you will divide this, what will come? M and m square will divide, you will get 4m2 minus, this is 1. So 4m will come, and here when you divide n and n will divide, what is left? 3m. So whatever comes after dividing, you write inside the bracket. This will divide, the answer is m2 minus 1, the answer is 4m. This 4m is written here, and here it is 3mn upon n, n and n divide minus 3mn, so minus 3n comes here. So you can see the common method taking below this video. There is a link given that will understand. So you can revise this to understand more of this. Now there is an h part which has got long, many expressions are there. It is h part, and it is x square into a minus b minus y square into a minus b and plus z square into a minus b. This is a long expression in which nothing is common, but we are seeing that there are something is common here. A minus b, a minus b, a minus b. The brackets are same, outside bracket numbers are not same. So what we will do, we will take this a minus b, a minus b, a minus b as common. What is common? Common is a minus b. This bracket is common. So I will take this bracket. Inside the bracket I will write x square minus y square plus z square. X square minus y square plus z square. A minus b, a minus b, a minus b is outside. X square minus y square plus z square. This is the answer direct, nothing complicated. Okay, so now there are other questions also where you have to take common, like m plus n. Now after that the questions are different. Question number, this was K part now. Question 1, K part. 36 minus 49a square. Important. 36 minus 49a square. What is common in the two? HCF of 36 and 49. When you will find HCF, you will see that there is no HCF. HCF is 1. So 1 is not considered as HCF. But this will be solved by using formula now. And the formula is, which is and a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Why I am using this formula? Because the question is matching this formula. So this has to be written a and this has to be written b. So I will write it as 6 square minus 7a square. So see, a square minus b square means 6 square minus 7a square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So what is a plus b? A plus b means this is a and this is b. So 6 plus 6 minus 7a. Important. This is solved by using a square minus b square. This is a square and this is b square. So a square is 6 square, b square is 7a square. 7a is the square root. You have to do square root of 4 terms. So this is a and this is b. So a plus b and a minus b. One more question you see, which is this type. But the terms have to be solved by using formula only. Yes, so L part, it is written 2a cube minus 50a. All the terms and questions are different here. 2a cube minus 50a, is there anything common HCF between this and this? HCF is 2 and a also. So like in the previous question we did, you will take the HCF common. And then inside you will write the number, so it will be a square minus 25. So 2a cube minus 50a, I will take 2a common, 2a into a square minus 25 into 250a. So first step is taking of common. So I have taken common. Now I will solve this by using formula a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b. First let me write according to the formula a square minus 5 square. This expression is to be written a square minus 5 square, which will become 2a square minus b square. See, it is matching the formula a square minus b square. I have to write this now. So what will be a plus b and a minus b? A plus b and a minus b is the answer. So this is using formula a square minus b square. Okay, so there is the questions. One more important question is there. Question number M part. Question 1 M part. The question is 63a square b cube. 63a square b cube minus 7ab. Now what is common in the two? First common, 7 is common, ab is also common. So I will find common. So 7ab, and inside the bracket what will come? First we find HCF. Method is same which I have told above before, so you can check. 7ab is common. What will come? Divide 63 by this, so it will come 9ab square. Divide this by 7ab and divide this by 7ab, it will be 1. This is important step. Now it is not solved. This you have to write it as 7ab will be written as it is. 9 will be written 9. This is 3, not 2, it is 3. 3 means this will become 2. Now 3ab minus 1 square. 9a square b square minus 1 will be written 3ab square whole square and minus 1 square. Now this becomes like the formula. This formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What will be a plus b, a minus b? I have to write this number in this formula. So what will it become? 7ab. See, this formula is to be used here. A plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. And this remains as it is. So this is your answer. So in this we have taken common. First you have taken common. I took 2 steps here by finding common factor, and then I have used formula. A common factor and a formula. Okay, so you have to do more questions which are given in the book. The other questions are different, but you should try question 1 till M and then try to solve some more questions based on this method. Let me write some questions here. If you try all the questions which are given as try yourself, they are best to understand the concept. Try yourself questions are there. So you can try question 1 as 36x cube y square minus 49x seven, 6 and 7. Common. You have to take common in this. When you take common, then something will be written and x square. try these two questions and type your answer below, or if you have any doubt below this question, then I will try to. The explanation of the method of factorization is given below this video. You can check that out to understand how to do it. So see you in the next class. Goodbye.